sound, keep life complete. From the yard to the open sea, every soul just wanna be free in mind, calm in soul. Let the rhythm take control. One love moving slow and true. Island skies forever blue. Through the years, through every tide. Old school reggae by your side. One love written in the sound. Timeless roots that hold us down. From the past to what we see, best reggae lives in unity. One heart, one drum. Island people come as one. Roots deep, vibes strong. We belong, we belong. When the vinyl stop its spin, still the music lives within. No goodbye, no goodbye. Reggae soul will never die. Just the rhythm, just the time, when the night turns into day, island chill will always play. Together by the firelight, different stories, same heartbeat. Old friends, new dreams collide. Island love, standing side by side. From the city to the shore, just a rhythm, just a song, where every soul belongs. One love flowing in the air, roots and hearts everywhere. Hand in hand we feel so strong, old school reggae carry on. One love under island skies, timeless sound that never died. From the past to 2026's, reggae roots forever made. Feel the drum, feel the bass, every smile on every face. No division, no control, just music healing soul. Oh, we together, we together, island family, island family. Roots and love, roots and love, never ending, never ending. When the night turns into day, still the rhythm gently stay. Old school vibes, brand new time, best reggae classics, timeless shine. step feel light and true. In this sound, I'm back with you. Baseline walking deep and low. Old school vibe begin to flow. No more rush, no more race. Peace is found in this place. Timeless, silent, calm and free. Roots and rhythm guiding me. Every wave, every tone. Classic reggae feels like home. Timeless, silent, let it play. Wash my worries far away. In this groove I choose to stay. Island chill night and day. Yeah. Yeah. Feel it now. Let it roll. Nice and slow. Roots alive. Island soul. Sunrise coming, moon gone low. Still the rhythm gently flow. When the sound begins to fade, reggae love will always stay. Timeless, silent, calm and free. Roots and rhythm guiding me. Every wave, every tone. Classic reggae feels like home. Timeless, silent, let it play. Wash my worries far away. In this groove I choose to stay. Island chill night and day. Morning light on the island bay. Warm wind blow all my stress away. Barefoot walking, sand so free. Simple life feels right to me. Old guitar tells stories slow. Bassline deep, let the good times flow. No rush living, no disguise. Just the truth before my eyes. Calm island vibes, let it ride. Roots and rhythm, side by side. Ocean sings, the heart agrees. Classic reggae, soul at ease. Calm island vibes, feel so real. Every note is what we feel. From the roots up to the sky. Reggae love will never die. Oh, oh, oh. ever made. In this rhythm, gently laid. No more words we need to say. Music guide us on the way. In the silence after sound, roots still moving underground. Holler, whisper, chant, very soft echo. Still we ride, island type, roots remain, nice and slow, nice and slow. Just the groove and passing time. When the world begins to sleep, reggae roots still running deep. Whisper chant, sunrise paint the sky and gold. Same old story, never old. Every laugh, every tear, find a home right here. Different paths, one direction. Love is our only protection. In the rhythm we agree. Music set the people free. One love rising like the tide. Island hearts unified. From the roots to modern time, reggae soul forever shine. One love echo through the years, wash away the doubt and fear. 2026 we stand, old school vibes across the land. we stand. Old school vibes across the land. When the music softly ends, still the feeling never bend. In our hearts the rhythm lives, best reggae classics give. Are you feeling it now? Yeah, we feeling it now. No, no. Are you ready to ride? Sing it. Saw waves side by side. Sweat on skin, smile so wide. Nights still young, we don't hide. Speakers shaking, ground so warm. Reggae rise like quiet storm. From the city to the sea, same heartbeat, same frequency. Hey, 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 moving slow. Hey, hey, let it flow. Hey, hey, baseline speak. Hey, hey, 7 days a week. Pull it up, rewind, select. This the reason that we strive. Not for gold, not for fame, just this sound, just this flame. When the world feels out of tune, reggae heals, comes back soon. Hey, comes back soon. Chill, chill, don't rush the vibe. Let it stretch, let it ride. Wave by wave, naturally. Salt wave jam, set it free. Chill, everybody sway, left to right, night to day. In this group, unity, one love, one family. Yeah, 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 yeah. Feel that bass, feel that bass. Yeah, yeah. Hold that space, no rest. No stress, no race, just grace, just grace. Ooh. Drums still talking, bass reply. Guitar skank till morning light. If this song should never end, we'd be fine, my friend. So, wait, so, yeah. What the? Bass drop low, hold it steady. Drum breathe slow, let it roll. Echo, echo, pull it back, send it wide. Hey, yeah, yeah, bassline talking in a heavy tone. Walking deep like it's coming home. Drum in space, then leave it bare. Let the silence hang in the air. Skank guitar, cut then fade. Offbeat pause, delay cascade. One chord ring, let it fall. Dub don't rush, dub don't call. Wait, wait, wait. not too loud. Snare crack echo through the crowd. Hi-hat kick like falling sand. Time dissolve at your command. Now bass and drum, nothing more. Still it shake the ocean floor. Every drop of echo rain wash away the city pain. Now pull it, rewind selector. Step forward, step back slow. Like the tide, it comes and goes. Filter sweet, open wide. Let the sound just drift and slide. I know words now, just vibration. Pure dub conversation. Heart to speaker, skin to sound. Lost and found, lost and found. So wait. Slow vibration, steady light. Whoa, no rush now, just the tone. Deep inside the sound alone. Yeah. Drum hit once, then let it breathe. Space is part of what we need. Echo drip from rim to rim. Time grows thin and thinner still. Stay with the wave. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sub bass roll, feel the ground. Heart and speakers share the sound. Nothing moves, yet all is clear. Dub becomes what we can hear. Filter fade, then open wide. Let the current be the guide. When the rhythm fades to air, pieces hanging everywhere. So long, then let it go. Last delay falls soft and slow. In the quiet, calm and true, dub still speaks without a word. Hold that fire, don't look back. Let it roll along the track. Bass still driving, thick and wide. Like a wave you cannot hide. Drum keep pushing, strong and true. Every hit cuts straight through. Echo shout, then pull it tight. Turn the dark into the light. Wave by wave, we're on the edge. Feel the drop, feel the pledge. All this sound, all this heat. One direction, one heartbeat. One beat. Skank still slicing, crisp and loud. Reggae speaking to the crowd. From the roots up to the sky. This vibration will not die. Almost there. Kick, drum, stop, hold the breath. Silence hanging, sudden depth. Then the bass come crashing in. Like the tide on naked skin. Fire burst, release the chain. Let it rain, let it rain. Bodies jump, night explode. This the moment we will owe. Way by way, let it fall. From the peak back to it all. When the echo starts to fade, we remember what we made. Fire. asking for more. Lantern lights and a distant laugh. Time moves soft on a gentle path. Baseline walking deep and round. Heartbeat locked into the sound. Every step in the moving sand feels like life just as it's planned. Let the groove stretch, let it bend. No beginning, no real end. Drums keep talking, guitar replies. Echo floating through the skies. Chill, let the whole world sway. All that heavy fades away, wave by wave. Naturally, salt wave jam sets us free. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fire sparks in the cooling air. Shadows dancing everywhere. Stories told without a word. Truth is felt, not always heard. When the night begins to slow, moonlight paints a silver glow. Still we ride the same old tide. Music holds us side by side. Chill, feel it deep inside. Let the rhythm be your guide. Wave by wave, come what may. Salt wave life will find a way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Drum roll soft and pull it back. Let it breathe, stay on the track. If the sun should find us here, we'll still dance without a fear. Oh, 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 hey. Whoa. Blah-ba-bum-bum-bum. Pressure holding, don't release. Let it circle, let it tease. Bass so thick you feel it bite. Pulling bodies into life. Drum and bass now speak as one. Night is young, we're not done. Echo bouncing wall to wall. Hear the sound begin to call. Wave by wave, higher ground. Lift the floor, lift the sound. Every face, sweat and smile. We've been riding for a while. Skank cut sharp like summer heat. Lock it tight with dancing feet. Guitar cry, then answer back. Push the groove, stay on track and wait. Drum punch into the chest. Heartbeat racing, no rest. Snare crack open bright and loud. Energy feeds off the crowd. And still up, don't come down. Spin the vibe all around. This is not just music played. This is night that we have made. Wave by wave, feel the fire. Stack it up, go higher. When the peak feels close and near, let it scream, let it cheer. Fire! One more, one more time. What? Drum roll stretch it wide. Let the tension be the ride. If it breaks, let it fly. Dub and reggae touch the sky. Stillness breathing, barely there. Low and ghost in open air. No beat chasing, no demand. Just the echo's final hand. Bass returns for one last round. Soft reminder of the sound. Drum taps once, then disappears, leaving space between the ears. pure meditation. Sun drops low on the ocean line, golden glow, reggae time. Barefoot walking, no disguise, peace reflected in my eyes. Let it roll, let it breathe, no control, just believe. Heartbeat sinking with the drum, one by one we all become. Chill under the open sky, wave by wave we're getting high. Not from smoke but from the sea, salt wave life is therapy. Chill under the open sky, wave by wave we're getting high. Not from smoke but from the sea, salt wave life is therapy. Palm trees talking in the breeze, every worry slowly leaves. Guitar crying soft and sweet, skank so tight, bass so deep. Chill, let the moment stay, sunset never fades away. In this rhythm you and me, living free, naturally.